Independent India, under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, adopted central economic planning for rapid economic growth of the country. Among the ambitious dream projects, which Nehru called the temples of modern India, HEC, Heavy Engineering Corporation, was covered as mother industry to produce 1 million ton of steel every year. Incorporated on 31st December 1958. The subsequent year saw the birth of their industrial giant, which today spreads over 2,800 hectares in the industrial township of Ranchi. Then in Bihar and today capital of Jharkhand, situated in the eastern part of India. It is the one of the largest integrated engineering complexes in India that manufactures and supplies capital equipments and machinery to core sector. Executes turnkey projects from concept to commissioning. It has complete manufacturing setup, melting, casting, forging, fabrication, machining, assembly and testing, all at one location, backed by strong design engineering technology team. By half a century old experience, HEC developed requisite skill and technical know-how to supply equipments as well as complete plant to core sectors. The core strength is product quality, cost competitiveness and timely delivery. It has absorbed technology from various sources like erstwhile USSR and Czechoslovakia, UK, Germany, Japan and USA. HEC had initially three major units, HMBP, FFP and HMTP. Subsequently in 1975, Project and Consultancy Services Division was added. Now it is known as Project Division. All these four operating units are located at one place within a radius of 0.5 km area. Heavy Machine Building Plant, HMBP. It is well equipped with sophisticated machine tools and handling equipments to undertake manufacture of heavy machineries and equipments. Foundry Forge Plant, FFP. It is the largest foundry and forging complex in India and one of the largest of its kind in the world. The area of the plant is 13,16,930 square meter, accommodating 76,000 tons of installed machineries to cope up with the various operations effectively. Heavy Machine Tools Plant, HMTP. Set up in collaboration with Messrs. Skoda Export, Czechoslovakia, HMTP is the most modern and sophisticated of its kind in the country, which produces machine tools in heavier ranges. It designs and manufactures medium and heavy duty CNC and conventional machine tools. The plant covers an area of over 2,13,500 square meter. Projects Division. This wing of HEC offers design, engineering and execution of turnkey projects from concept to commissioning of coal handling plant, ore handling plants, coal washeries, low temperature carbonization plant, gas treatment plants, cement plants, etc. Major contributions of HEC Limited, Ranchi: steel, coal, railways, space, strategic sectors. HEC Heavy Engineering Corporation Limited, Dhurwar, Ranchi 834004, Jharkhand, India.